Hello everyone, our vlog for today, we're going to Virginia Living Museum. It's my daughter's day off and we're taking Charlie over there. Okay guys, we're here. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time that I didn't came here anymore. The last time I came here when Amaya was little. Yung dinadala pa namin siya dito. So that's like, it's been a while. Okay guys, we're already here. Oh, they already had their Halloween decor. Wow, that's nice. Look Charlie, look oh. Ang ganda na pagka-decoration nila guys. Yan, it's almost Halloween. Yan, Charlie's really excited. But Charlie been here all the time because her mom always bring him over here.
Where are we going next? This way, for the fish.
Oh, look at all this fish. This is like, wow. Parang ano siya guys, parang malalaking sap-sap.
Can you see the hermit crab from there? Yeah.
There are.
Where are you going?
Okay guys, those fish is a pompano, or similar to the more common pompano. Okay, now we're outside looking for all different kinds of animals. But Charlie having fun.
Remember, if you can't see,
That's not where we came from. It's really nice over here, guys. This is good for the kids. Call it Virginia Living Museum. I remember when Amaya, when she was little, we used to come over here way back. So it's been a while. It's been a long time when it came here. Oh, look, Charlie! Look, they already had the Halloween decor. I think this is ready for Halloween. Masarap din guys, minsan pa ano, lumalabas. Day off kasi ng ano, it's my daughter's day off. That's why we decided to come over here. Charlie's running. He's fast.
what is this? No, what's this dinosaur? What about this dinosaur? What is that? What's this dinosaur?
Say hi.
No, it's a leash.
What's that? Is that a deer?
Say hi. Okay, this is a dinosaur discovery trail. This is good for the kids. Or even adults can enjoy it. Look, Charlie, what is that? That's a big dinosaur. Where are you going? They're a big dinosaur. Okay, what is that now? Oh, that's a dinosaur, Chip? Oh. Look at this, guys. I didn't even know about dinosaur, really. You got all different kinds. You got different names. Oh, this is a 30 feet long, 10 feet tall, and 8 to 12,000 pounds. Whoa. So this is from what, North America? Ay, hindi ko kinukunan lahat, guys. It's a lot. I don't take all videos, all the animals and everything. Only a few. Sasakay na naman sila ng ano. Oh, what are you gonna do? Wow! Ang cute nito, guys. Oh, there's a, you can go up there. Oh, I can go up there. Please do not bring blocks up. Okay, akit tayo, guys. Ay, meron cute, guys. Oh, meron silang upuan dito. Yan. Ang cute. Come on, come on.
If the
You
death
can do it.
happens,
You can do it.
You got it.
death happens,
Now hold the bar. There you go.
if death happens,
Good job.
Takot siyang bumaba. Oh, come on, let's go. Oh, come on, go. Pumunta lang kami dito, guys, para ma-enjoy si Charlie habang off si mami niya.
You want some water?
Para makalabas naman ng bahay. Hindi na kami lagi doon sa park.
Wait, come on this side. Yeah.
Malaki ang ano, guys, itong Virginia Living Museum. Oh, look, Charlie!
You're white, mama's red. Where you gonna go? Okay, okay. Come on.
Ang ganda ng pagka-decorate nila, guys. Oh, it's everywhere. Ang sabi ng anak ko, mas maganda daw pag ano, pag during at night because all the lights is on. Habang naglalaro sila doon, dalawa maglalakad ako dito. So, this one is a fairy garden. Ang cute mo nila, guys, oh. Nilalagay. So, umiilaw ito siguro sa gabi dahil may ano nga siya, guys, oh. Parang ano, anong tawag ito? Solar. Ikot tayo dito sa kabila, guys. Yun, nandito si Naday. Charlie ko si Amber. Maraming mga ano, guys. guys dito. Ito naman na area. The Virginia Garden.
Careful. Go slow, go slow.
Okay, dito na kami sa elevator. Paakyat. Ayan guys. Tapos na kami. Tara! Meron din sila dito guys. Ano, yung gift shop. Kung gusto mo mamili ng mga ano. Okay guys, pauwi na kami. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, our little adventure with my apo. So you all have a wonderful day. God bless and see you in my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.